Title: Introduction to Neural Networks for Beginners. What is a neural network? A neural network is a computational model inspired by the way the human brain processes information. It consists of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that work together to recognize patterns, classify data, and make predictions. Key concepts. Neuron. The basic unit of a neural network. Each neuron receives inputs, processes them, and produces an output. Layers. Neural networks are organized into layers: input layer, hidden layers, output layer. Weights and biases. Neurons have weights and biases that adjust during training to minimize errors. Activation function. Determines the output of a neuron by applying a transformation to the input. Common activation functions include sigmoid, ReLU, tanh. Training. The process of adjusting weights and biases to improve the network's accuracy. This involves forward propagation, loss function, backpropagation. Let's build a simple neural network using Python and TensorFlow. Installed TensorFlow using pip install TensorFlow. Import the necessary libraries. Import TensorFlow STF. From TensorFlow. Keras. Datasets import MNIST. From TensorFlow. Keras. Models import sequential. From TensorFlow. Keras. Layers import dense. Flatten. From TensorFlow. Keras. Utils import to underscore categorical. Load and prepare the data. Load the MNIST dataset, normalize the pixel values, and convert the labels to categorical format. Build the neural network. Define a sequential model with an input layer, one hidden layer with 128 neurons and ReLU activation, and an output layer with 10 neurons and softmax activation. Compile the model. Compile the model using the atom optimizer and categorical cross-entropy loss function. Train the model. Train the model for 5 epochs with a batch size of 32. Using 20% of the training data for validation. Evaluate the model. Evaluate the model on the test dataset and print the accuracy. This code provides a simple yet comprehensive introduction to building and training a neural network for image classification using TensorFlow.